Lava, Dinisia Dimentingazaligo, Grade 12 English Unit 2 ga Key to Happiness so read the passage lebe chibare. Namaduri Pajiama, be kind and help others. Hobby, be kind, Jinaba and help others. Ashalu Guniba. Treating everyone with kindness is another key element of happiness. Tababiola is treating such everyone. Lurango says engine with kindness. Jinazabi Lurango says engine is pibare, another key element. Now te adiga achataku pibare or happiness. Pyochimuya now te adiga achataku pibare. Acts of kindness have the potential to make the world a happier place. Dima Babiola is axo low kindness or Jinamu go piade loya lady ma have shibare the potential is or as Yaro Babiola is swanyi shibare to make the world Gavaji go pizire swanyi a happier place. Bob Georgiansia gone near the pizire swanyi shibare. According to study by psychologists in different countries, when you help other people, it is not only good for them, it also makes you feel happier. According to a study, Leila Jadia by psychologists. Psychologists are the Sabinya Shini, but in different countries, Nanga Muga, Sabinya Shini, Lila Jadi, ya. Lila Jadi, ya. One dog, you help other people. Me Shaludio Gunide Kama. It is not only good for them. Araga main to darling Kaunam Hope. It also makes you feel happier. Sorry, Araga. It is not only good for them. Araga to do dwelling Kaunam Hope. It also makes you feel happier. Lagonga Araga also makes you feel happier. Mango le Bobby Joshwinzi Vare. Hobby Adima Bahobio Lesuin makes you feel happier. So the phrase liga make object baziroba. Make object baziros in Sierra Blubada Bian Lesuin. Pizzi di Lubada Bian Yare. Hobby no? Make object baziro make object agitated. Dalili bada bien, pizzi di lubada bien luyare. Deniapi, Serua make object bida de colaba powder, Naga colaba powder as win, Papin and Leswin, Nakupin, agitaye, baziro yebo. Tamuli Seru, grammar patternly in a piluyare. Hobby Adima, feel soraga, P happyama, P soraga, Kanzayadi, to a linking by look. Any linking by a Nagani Bromasiaru. Agitated Lilo Yare. Lincoln Bay and Nogani agitated like Kama, but with the bomb you website with John Togani, the piano yard, P. Herbier, Bobby Biochendi, and I'm no Sapajama. A new survey has also revealed that generous people are happier and healthier than those who are not. Hobidima Babia is a new survey. Surveys are sit down the Kuga has also revealed. Dabin also a Dabin, sit down the Kuga le. Ruby, Topo Biobubare. That's low. Generous people. Yayore Ludiga are happier and healthier. Happier Zoraga, Bobio Shwindo, healthier Zoraga, Bojama do. Armama Alina Dolado, Bobio Shwindi, Bojama badi. Dan tap. Hobno, those got people Ludi tap. Hobno, who are not. Maya Yodo Ludi tap, Bobidoma, Bioshwin, Jama bade. Jama bare, Lupiota bare. Sapajime, the idea is that generosity gives them a nice, warm feelings when people say thank yous and show appreciation. The idea solo yingaro, Tamamo, Yusagaro, solo yingaro is pibare. That soda pibare. Generosity Zoragai, Yajin gives Pibare, damn, two logos of Ludio Leso, General Piberigo, Yayore Ludigo, Bibare, a knives, common door, one, nutrido film, Kanzajet Kugo, common nutrido Kanzajet Kugo, Bibare, Pejama Bida Leso, one, Doga, Biber, Ludiga, say thank you, Jesu Demare, Lupioreka, and we'll show appreciation, a dima bumugo, Piareka, appreciations or a dima bumu. Shows you a piatadi, a dima bumugo, piare a kama, Adi Yayo Muga Nibiroma, Adi Yayore Ludigo, common way to the Kanzajet the Kugo, base one and sodabe, pibare, the ideas of Ajo D. Usagaro, Tamamo, Sulu Yingaro, Jaidu Piano Yare. Nalemeno, Habi, dinner or the lavabe, Jesu de Mare.